Hey, thanks for checking out while you're in there. So I got these LED replacement light pods. It's the Rigid brand Midnight Edition D Series Pro. I got one of these hooked up already on the other side, and it is super, super bright. But just to show you the old clunky ones, that's what I'm replacing. Those things are all smashed up anyhow. They're just kind of ugly anyway. So anyhow, be aware when I bought this, it was $129, and I thought it was for a set. It was only for one, so I had to wait another 5 days to get another one. So be aware of that. But it comes with everything you need, even comes with stickers. And I'm wiring this up to the my multi-function switch on the blinker there, the part you pull out. So I'm just getting my brackets together here. And the hardware. This part was kind of a pain on the other side, getting the nuts to line up. It's packaging good. They look sweet. So you gotta get the bracket. Let's see, I want it to go, yeah, that way. Yeah. So get your bracket in there, drop your bolt through. If I can see. And then you gotta drop the nut. Ah, oh, man. Hopefully it's still lined up. You gotta drop the nut in the slot just right. And you don't even need a wrench on it to hold itself the way it's made. Get the other side. Sorry, I get my big head in the shot. These are Teflon nuts, so make sure you're putting them in the right way. The way it's made, it just holds it in there for you. All you do is tighten the Allen wrench. Which I don't have at the moment. Alright, so that's going to go there. It's going to be all loose and flimsy because I can't get that any tighter right now. I'm going to get this my first washer, lock washer, and then the nut. This happens to be a 1/2 inch. Oops. It's turning on me. Okay. So we'll tighten this part of it up later on. When I get to the wiring on this real quick, it comes with a lot of extra wire. You can wire it in the cab to a button on your dashboard. It comes with the button. I don't like the button on it though. It's like a rocker, but it's flat. I don't know. I don't like that button. Anyhow. Let me get this untied. I wasn't ready for that. Sorry. all I really want is this plug here. And I only want about that much of it. I'm going to cut it here. Because I'm going right into the lights for the fog light switch that you pull out. Alright. So, strip this a little bit, expose the wires. Yeah, that one's... Alright. So I'm going to plug this into here. Coming off the back of that light. I'm going to go turn the lights on. So I don't know if that's going to blind you. If it does, I'll move it. Let's see, is it blinding? No, it looks okay. Alright, so both these wires coming out of here are red. One is a copperish looking color on the inside though. One's like a silver color. I'm guessing that's going to be ground, but I'm double checking to make sure. I want to blow a fuse anywhere in there. Did I turn that on? Yeah. Huh. I have some dead wires over here. Let's just see. The other side though. Oh, there we go. Okay. So my tester light ain't working. So anyhow, I got myself some heat shrinking connectors. Put them on there. Go on there. Oh, and I'm not putting a fuse link in here or nothing because the wire gauge is the same. If it blows a fuse, it'll be inside the fuse box. This is making a disaster of a video. I won't just go on there to one of the other ones. Get the right pliers. That down. This one's going to go to the positive power. There. Crimp it down. The other one here. Got power. Okay. Alright, then you just go back and tighten these up with the Allen wrench. I don't know where it's at right now, so. But what I'm gonna disconnect this. I'm gonna show you on the other side here. But I'm gonna pull this apart, and I'm gonna snake it around the grill here. I'll show you. I got it all done on the other side. But that's it, and they look good on there. But on the other side here, this one's already done. I went that side of the grill there. See, there's a headlight behind that rubber bumper thing, and that's it right there. I taped it all up with electrical tape all the way down the new wire I just put in, and then I zip tied it up in there. There's a hole in that corner way up there. I got a zip tie going through that little firewall holding it up there. So yeah, that's the Ridgid lights. They look good. Way better than them junky ones I had. That's what I had before, them 7-inch rounds. But that's it for that one. A quick short one. Easy putting them light pods in. Just in case someone doesn't know what I'm talking about with the switch, how I wired it to. This is one right here. Your headlight switch. Okay, that's headlights on, and you pull it out. That's what that's wired to. You can see it when I click it. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted it like a factory look. I don't want to put any more buttons in there. So that's why you're in there. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Leave me feedback in the comments if you want. And check us out again, man. Thanks.